Hello student, today we will discuss our second chapter. It's a poem, Television as God, written by Tyson M. Salah. It's a satire form. Satire means vyang. Let's read this poem and understand it. In America, television is a special god with its priests and priestesses. No one has time for conversation or for each other. Television works in the remote arena of every high class pleasure. In this poem, the poet compares television to the god because television has a power to manipulate and transform people's mind. In this stanza, American people like television as a god, like in temple, church, priests and priestesses worship God. Same like that, American people spend their time in watching TV. They have no time for their family members. TV has become a main source of their happiness that control their mind. Here, carenia means a part of skull that enclosed by brain. Priest is a masculine gender and priestesses is a feminine gender. It refers to the viewers. Now second stanza. And the daisies by my apartment window, tall yellow as the finger of the sun. Why are they so sad from neglect? They perhaps lost the competition. Television has trapped everyone in its shrine. Neglect means ignore. Trapped means to keep somebody in a dangerous situation. Shrine means a place of worship. In these lines, poet saying that daisies means a kind of flower. In this line, poet says that daisy which are placed nearby window are looking like fingers of the sun and become yellow in color. These daisies feel sad because people are neglecting them. They are not admiring natural beauty because TV trapped them. And the mother wonders why their kids are doing poorly in school and their grammar is as good as chimpanzees. And of course, television is a special god, and gods have their scared about in the heart of their humble servant. And television is a god that speaks and smiles and acts, and emotions are fortified as starch to ironed cloth, and the truth of the world is accessed through the superficial word of the interpreter. In these lines, poet is saying that students are not focusing on their studies and their grammar is like chimpanzee's grammar. So that mothers are worried mothers are worried about their studies because their children are not focusing on the studies. TV becomes their special god who took place in their heart, and TV is like that who can speak, laugh, and act and make their emotion strong. So, here is the introduction of the poem. Please write down the difficult words in your notebook.